Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome back to Buttonwillow Raceway Park. Oh yeah, it's track day, baby. So I'm back out here for the first time since my last race around CRA in February. So it's been about a month and a half. I'm on the Tuono today. Haven't really had the time to put the Daytona back together quite yet. So just figured I might as well use the Supercorsa TDs that I got on the bike. Gonna need to change out my rear, I think, about halfway through the day. And it'll be interesting to see just how the tires did. They have one track day on them. It's an SC2 front and an SC3 rear, Supercorsa TDs, Pirellis. But excited to just see how the tires do with a mix of track usage and normal usage. So put about 1,000 miles on them on the street, the one track day. So they shouldn't be too hard quite yet, so I don't put a lot of heat in them on the street. Well, maybe not the front tire, but anyways, gonna get out there. We're doing configuration 13 counterclockwise, or 13A, so very similar to the configuration 26 counterclockwise that I've run before, but with the exceptions of not running out to start Mazda and not doing the drag strip. So gonna be cutting in on sweeper and going up over Phil Hill backwards. So it'll be interesting, but hoping to find a good line through here quickly. But I'm gonna try to go out for the first session and see if I can just get my footing and get a lay of that part of the track backwards, since I have no experience with it. So let's get riding. All right, also got some new gloves. My full metal 6s were just absolutely caked in dirt, so tried vacuuming them out and just decided it was easier to buy new ones. So these are Steel Pros. Got the race dash on. It's gonna be fun. Let's figure out where we're going first. About there. I was not expecting that turn. I have never been up here before. What is this? Like, no idea where I'm going. Know where I'm going here though. Woo! So much traffic. So missed the first session, but I've done 2 so far. I've been having a lot of fun. Tires are still hooking up pretty nicely. The front feels really good. The rears, I've had a couple moments on it, but that's just my inability getting reacclimated to the leader bike power. But having fun so far. Looking forward to continuing to ride today. I think my rear tire is probably going to need to be changed after another session or 2. So we'll see, but so far so good. Liking my new gloves, breaking in a little bit, but it's going well. out that plane. That's cool. Something else I forgot to mention. I'm wearing my old Laguna Seco because I haven't replaced my DRC yet. Whee! Quite a train we've got going. So much traffic. Hey, good. Thank you.
Oh, she's good to go again.
Dude,
How did it feel?
it's slipping a bit, and I'm being careful. I'm dialing the throttle back a little. I am happy, and also notice getting a little bit closer to the edge on the wear. So I was trying to focus a little bit more on the corner speed and pulling on smooth. Noise. Patrick ripping it, Robert ripping ahead of me. Woo. Fun times. And this here Buttonwillow Raceway. Woo. Woo. Little shake and bake. I never changed my tires though. up a little bit. So I did. Oh yeah, the rear is loose. She sounds good though. Don't need to be chasing lap times to have a good time. Woohoo! Super wide there. Oh yeah. That's that one up a bit. I can get this right this time. Tricky one. That was it though. So fun day overall. First time again doing that configuration of Buttonwillow, throwing sweeper, Phil Hill, and then that cutout past on-ramp into the mix. Definitely threw me off a bit, but I still had fun. That was really just the goal of today. Learned a little bit just about riding the track, and then of course working on some stuff with the Tuono. It's been a while since I've ridden that on track, since November, so whew, it was tough, but managed. So again, feeling good overall with just how today went. I actually made my Supercorsa TD SC3 rear tire last of the day. Just decided to sit out the last session, so I skipped the first and the last, put about 90 miles on the bike, 87, something like that, and it was still working. It was getting a little bit slippery, especially in the last session, but it worked. So I managed. It's good. I have a brand new one that I'll put on after doing some more virtual reality-ness, but good day overall. Looking forward to getting back out here the next time. Going racing again soonish, sometime in the not so distant future. Definitely in June. Need to get another suit too. As you noticed, or might have noticed, that suit was in good shape because it was not my crashed Misano 2D Air. This was my old Laguna Seca 4 that I'd had before that, so still in good shape, but it was great that I had a spare suit. Just had to buy some new gloves. They're Dainese Steel Pros. Breaking those in, but they were working well. Overall, solid day. So I'm gonna get loaded up and head home, but thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would sincerely appreciate it if you gave me a gentle little click of the like button, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Posting videos, doing cool, fun motorcycle stuff on a weekly basis, and I like to race and do track days. And yeah, drop a comment below. Do you like track days? I hope so. Have you done one before? If not, you should, but let's have a conversation down there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later.